in here trying to find some Disney outfits. I got Disney shirts already, but my hubby is looking for some Disney stuff to wear, and so we're just walking around the mall. AJ lost his pacifier. He threw it away.
That looks nice.
That's better. Yes, I'm looking a hot mess. I gotta figure out something to do to my head. AJ, what's wrong? You ready to go home? You ready to go? Okay, we're ready to go. Give me a kiss. AJ. Okay. You need to sit down before you fall. Sit. Come here. Sit down. Stop being naughty.
It's only because of me.
Okay. Good job. Good job. Thank you.
You want to send these few more moments to look at me?
Is your tea good, AJ? It's good? You got some more in there. It's more. See? Here. What you getting to eat, Lyric?
I'm super hungry. Fried shrimp and a house salad with me at.
Sounds good. I'm crying. AJ. You gonna norm me?
Don't do that. No. 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 No.
Little AJ got a cold. You got a cold? Come here. So his voice sounds raspy, like he's an old man. And at the same time, he's teething, so I had to give some infant oil gel. That in the shower, AJ. Come here. Come here, AJ. We're about to get ready and go out. I don't know. I need to start cooking more here, but for some reason in this apartment, I haven't been feeling like cooking nothing. Even though I have cooked meals here, just I can't wait to get into our house. So, that process is taking a minute. Paperwork was getting done and stuff like that, and we ran into an issue last week, but I believe we got that resolved late Friday. So hopefully this upcoming week we can be on a different stage of this whole process so that we can get her done. So yeah, the way ours work, we're gonna close on our construction loan before we move in. So once we close, it takes a couple weeks before things can get started as far as the actual house building, and then we'll be able to get to that point. But I can't wait until we get to that point because I want to actually see stuff happening. AJ, come here. You hear him? AJ. Let's see. AJ, give it back to him. It
was the remote.
AJ. AJ. Come here. Have a kiss. You gonna turn TV? You don't want to watch that?
Don't turn it, AJ.
He's turning. He's trying to turn the channel. What are you gonna do? We're in Best Buy looking at refrigerators. Look at these. This is pretty neat right here. I like this feature on it.
You like it?
Yeah. cool. Different size packages. We shall see. AJ, you see something you like?
This one because you can.
Yeah, it's cool. I got
5 things.
separate drawers.
I wonder if it has it separate.
But that one's almost $4,000.
They even have a pizza storage.
Yeah,
It says indoor pizza storage.
it's nice. That's
like
a
these handles.
KitchenAid.
I like these handles. They feel good.
I know, I
on
like
my
those too.
hand. Hey guys, I'm in the back of the car with my brother here, and yeah, I'm just chilling. Want to see AJ? He's just chilling. You just chilling. You just chilling. Maybe when I get back, I'm gonna play with him. Depends if he's acting like a good boy right now. But you never know, I might play with him. Maybe. And I've been doing not that much stuff. At 8, well, I woke up, gave AJ some Cheerios. Not Cheerios, but Apple. I think they're called Apple Jacks, but were they called Apple Jacks? Gave AJ some Apple Jacks, gave me some Apple Jacks, watched TV, ate, and yeah, now I'm here. My friend had told me about this food. It was called it sounded gross to me. She had told me about one. I think it had spinach, bell peppers, and cheese in it. I don't know if that sounds good to you, but she said her mom made that as a lasagna. Sounds so gross to me. I'm not a fan of peppers, so yeah, I'm not eating that. And I'm not a real big fan of spinach either, but I am a big fan about cheese if it's on my cheese toast. And I like eating casseroles, of course. I got my pizza, like on my nachos. I like a lot of things with cheese on it. So what are you doing? You want to see AJ again? Because he's just chilling here staring at me. It's creepy. He's like staring at me like that. He doesn't have the big eyes, but he's staring at me like this. It's creepy. See the peoples? You look at the wrong way. They can't. You're not facing them. See the peoples? Oops. Sorry. See the peoples? See the peoples? If you have any questions for me, just put them in the comment box below. Bye.
You okay, AJ? Hey peoples, I'm back. Yeah, my hair is looking crazy because I'm doing these twists to my hair, and I still got this whole section to do. I'm just putting mini twists in my head so I can have my hair done in some type of something before we go on vacation. What was I gonna say? I noticed Lyrics being on our channel. She's been watching some of you guys' videos, so she's been replying back after she watches some. So that's just a FYI or heads up. She does watch you guys' videos, and I told her since she does watch them, sometimes she'll watch them and she doesn't respond, because she just lets me do that. But I told her it's okay. She can go ahead and respond to you guys if she watched your video, especially some. Well, I don't think any of my videos on my channel are too bad, and there is a lot of young people on my channel, and even some of you older people and like hauls and just family vlogs, she'll watch you. And I told her to go ahead and respond. So yeah, this week and this weekend you probably saw her responding to some of your videos. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to get my head done while my kids are asleep later. Finally got done. Now I'm about to find me something to eat, even though it's late. But
Thanks for watching our vlog. We hope you liked it. We'll see you soon. Bye.